After yesterday's Bitcoin video, I stumbled on a huge pattern that could explode Bitcoin to the $150,000 range. This is a hopium video. Let's get right into the charts. For checking out the channel. Every day we put out a new video about cryptocurrency education, markets, giveaways, and more. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. Now let's go to the moon. Before we get into the huge Bitcoin pattern, I want to share the largest Bitcoin event going down April 6th to 9th in Miami, South Beach, Miami, and we have people like the president of El Salvador, Michael Saylor, Adam Back, and all of the biggest Bitcoin influencers are going to be there or speaking digitally. And our YouTube channel is giving away a huge Miami trip, a flight to Miami, 5 nights in Miami, and the Bitcoin Miami 2022 ticket. It would be nice to meet you there. Go out and meet you at the event and all that great stuff. So there's 27 hours left. Honestly, not many entries, only 1,100. So you have a chance if you check this out. All the details will be in the description. So good luck. And let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. So we were charting Bitcoin out yesterday, and we started on the larger time frame. And then I noticed this huge pattern, which you may or may not have seen, and that is the ascending triangle. So if I just draw this out, and an ascending triangle consists at minimum, it consists of 2 touches for the resistance. So we have upper resistance right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, and you can adjust it however you like. And then you have higher lows. So we have 1 right here, potentially the second touch, third, fourth, and not right here. So with the ascending triangle, as you see here, we have the uptrend and then a consolidation. You have the flat upper trend line and then the rising lower trend, and then hopefully the breakout to the top. So how do you predict the price target? You actually use the base. So if we used somewhat close to the all-time high, 69,000, all the way to the bottom, 28,000, that's a $40,000 spread. So that would give us from 68,000 to 48,000, $108,000. But I'm going to show you guys something else which puts us near the $150,000 range. That's approximately 145K. But with an ascending triangle, usually it's a continuation pattern, which we are seeing here. So if you're looking at the monthly, which we are right here, this is obviously in a huge uptrend right now, and then we are consolidating before we continue. So we can actually kind of range in this pattern if it does respect the upper trend line here, the resistance, and if it respects this trend line as well. We can actually range for a few months, for a year, and kind of just work our way up while we get closer and closer to the halving, to that reward halving split, which in my opinion, I looked at it, it was actually 720 days, and that's going to go by really quickly. And then we always get that pump after, and I'm expecting multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars. But are we gonna get some sort of whipsaw? Is Bitcoin gonna break down right here, and then actually go lower and break these lows? It's hard to say right here, but I am just looking at this huge pattern and obviously adding some hopium to it. Best case scenario is we trend for weeks, months, let us accumulate while it just ranges, because we're just in a ranging market right now. So let us accumulate, just range, play within this pattern, and then break up to the $150,000 mark. So the other thing I wanted to take a look at was the Fibonacci right here. And I loved using this because it's pretty accurate. So let me make sure I get these points right. We have that right here. Exactly. So what I usually find when I use these price targets, crypto loves to reach up to these 61 and 127 zones. So if I remove this right here, these are kind of in that, and then let me draw the base. So that was from here to here, and you can see it kind of matches up perfectly. That's my hopium for the day, and I'm hoping Bitcoin can pull this off. But what I'm actually kind of expecting is Bitcoin to, at the lowest, test $25,000. That's like kind of my worst case, and then we break up. I'm looking for that capitulation, for that sell off, and then you have the weekends kind of just giving up their Bitcoins, and then we move up forward. I think Bitcoin 2022, last year we had a huge announcement. El Salvador legalized Bitcoin. I really, really, really think we're going to see like a crazy announcement. I think another country or two are going to announce at this event. I really do, and I could be totally wrong. Who knows? So there's a lot of things lining up for Bitcoin, and I have this high conviction we are going to see hundreds of thousands of dollars in the next decade, potentially even $1 million. But Bitcoin's very volatile, so getting these extreme lows and extreme highs, it's normal. You just can't get shaked out, and don't over leverage. So I just want to point out the contest again. Blockchain Academics, Bitcoin Miami 2022. It's going to be crazy. We're going to, we have a cameraman flying with us. We're going to get all the craziest speeches. We're going to get some good interviews, hopefully. And then we're going to release a trailer and a vlog, of course. So we'll see you guys there, or you guys can check out the content and Bitcoin to $150,000. I'll see you guys tomorrow.